Hello viewers, welcome to this session. I am going to talk about pre-Shakespearean dramatists. In the university examination for degree BA Part 1 English Honours students, in the first paper there is a question on pre-Shakespearean dramatists or university wits. So, on the request of a large number of students, I am going to discuss pre-Shakespearean dramatists. There was a group of writers of late 16th century English playwrights, pamphleteers, playwrights who got education either at Oxford University, London, England, or Cambridge University, London, England. These writers were professional writers. Their main objective was to popularize their thoughts and ideas. So, they are mostly professional writers. Now, let me name the playwrights of this group. Christopher Marlowe is one of the pre-Shakespearean dramatists. He wrote Dr. Faustus, Edward II, Tamburlaine. All his plays are very famous. He influenced and paved the way of William Shakespeare. Christopher Marlowe is said to be a contemporary of William Shakespeare because Shakespeare was born just after 2 months of Christopher Marlowe. The second important pre-Shakespearean playwright was Robert Greene. He was also a great famous playwright of England. Then Thomas Nash. He was also a great playwright of England before Shakespeare. All these playwrights, such as Christopher Marlowe, Robert Greene, and Thomas Nash, got education at Cambridge University, London, England. The fourth playwright is John Lyly. He was a great comic writer. The fifth pre-Shakespearean playwright is Thomas Lodge. The next, sixth playwright is George Peele. These three playwrights, such as John Lyly, Thomas Lodge, John Peele, got education at Oxford University, London, England. Now there is another playwright who is sometimes included in this group, though he could not get education either from the Cambridge or from the Oxford, was Thomas Kidd. Thomas Kidd was a famous tragedy writer. All these 7 playwrights paved the way for the writings of William Shakespeare. Shakespeare was much indebted to all these university wits. It is these playwrights who influenced, impacted William Shakespeare most in the writing of his comedies and tragedies. After introducing these playwrights, these pre-Shakespearean playwrights, these university wits, now let me talk about the features of this group of playwrights. First and foremost, the playwrights of this group wrote plays, tragedies and comedies. They wrote pamphlets also. The heroic themes were dominant in their plays. The characters were heroic. Dr. Faustus of Christopher Marlowe is a hero. Tamburlaine of Christopher Marlowe is a hero. Edward II is the King of England. So, one of the important features of the plays of pre-Shakespearean playwrights is that the theme is heroic. The second important feature is that apart from the heroic theme, the treatment of the characters is also heroic. They are presented in a heroic manner, in a heroic way. It seems as if it is or they are epics. They have towering personality. They are either kings, queens, lords or generals. So, they have in-depth characterization. They have great personality. The third important thing is that the style is also heroic. Christopher Marlowe wrote his plays in blank verse. His style is called mighty line, mighty blank verse. I would like to illustrate a line from Dr. Faustus. Was this the leap that launched 1,000 ships